Because of that, the quality setting is one of the most important options for you to select for a wide audience. Your best bet is to go into the quality menu and choose one of the two auto settings, auto low or auto high. The auto low setting will assume that you may have some visitors who have slower processors, and if they do, the flash player on your visitor's machine will play the movie back in what's called low quality mode, where the flash player will not smooth the different vectors, text, and different components of your flash movie. So while the components of your movie might look a bit crisp and jagged, not its best in quality, it will play back in a more seamless fashion for those slower machines. However, the greatest thing about the quality setting here is that if you choose the auto setting like auto low, if somebody comes along with a faster machine, the flash player can detect their processor speed and also determine how quickly the flash movie is keeping up with the flash player. And if that person can handle the movie at a faster rate, then flash will kick into high quality mode, thereby smoothing everything in the movie, making it look its best and play back seamlessly for those faster machines. So if you choose either auto low or auto high, you're going to find you'll be able to serve your movie up to a wider audience, and the movie will play back seamlessly for all types of machines. I'm going to choose auto high and assume that I have visitors who actually have an average to an above average processor, and if they don't, the movie will kick into low mode if necessary. And I'm also going to make sure, if I want to, that I loop this movie. Notice the loop checkbox, which means my movie will play over and over again, and the autoplay checkbox, which means when this movie loads in a browser, the movie will automatically start playing. The last parameter you'll note here in our property inspector that's worth mentioning is the scale property. This is an HTML property that you can specify on your web page that will let you scale your flash movie if you need to resize it after you've placed it on the HTML page in Dreamweaver. I don't recommend that you do this because while the movie itself can be scaled and you won't distort the quality, you may find again people with slower machines may have trouble watching the movie seamlessly. Your best bet is to create the flash movie at the width and height dimensions that you want it to be placed at when you first create the movie in Flash. So I'm going to keep this at its default setting. But what I've just done now by placing the flash movie on my page and specifying parameters on my property inspector is I've embedded this flash movie on my Dreamweaver page and specified parameters so I can control how this movie will play back to different audience members in different browsers.